Today we're at the Hillcrest indoor pistol range, and what we're going to look at is the GSG range of 1911 22 handguns. Great handgun, everyone loves their 1911. This is a purpose-built 1911 and 22 LR. This particular model is the target version. It's got some Novak sights on it. It's a great handgun, and we'll go through the features. So let's take a closer look at the GSG 1911 range. These guns are made in Germany, and they're not based off a centerfire 1911 like most other 22 LRs, whether they be conversions or not. The Germans have gone to a lot of trouble to make sure these guns are very accurate and very reliable. What we've got in front of us is a standard model and a target model. Both have very similar features to them. We'll just run through the target. We have the target grips on it. We have an ambidextrous safety. We have skeletonized trigger, beaver tail grip safety, skeletonized hammer, Novak style adjustable rear sight, nice high target sight for a good target picture. The standard gun has all the same features on it. We've got a standard grip on it though. On this particular model we have a tactical rail. Let's give the GSG 911 22 imported by Pro Tactical a run on the range. Beautiful. Let's see how quick we can rip a mag through the GSG to test its reliability. So I've just given the GSG target a run at the Hillcrest indoor pistol range. We're going to bring the target in. I haven't adjusted the factory sight, so we'll see how we've gone. Okay, so we're a little low, but we've got a nice tight little group here, so we would have been pretty much in the tens. So pretty happy with the way the GSG target shoots. I'm extremely pleased.